how to withdraw money from Rainbet. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So basically, first you need to head over to rain.com and log into your account. Over here, make sure you have sufficient funds in your wallet to be able to withdraw. Then you'll see your funds listed under your primary balance in your selected currency, for example USD. After that, click on the green wallet icon. Then a window will pop up. Over here, you'll see options like deposit, withdraw, buy crypto, tip, and promo. Just click on withdraw. Then you have to select banking. Over here, you can choose between Interac or Pix, whichever is convenient for you. After that, click on switch to this to activate the withdrawal option. Then type the amount in Canadian dollars. The minimum you can withdraw is 50, so just type in 50 or more, then click on continue. Now select your crypto. You can choose from BTC, Ethereum, USD, LTC, Solana, TRX, DAI, Doge, and others. Over here, select one, then enter your network and BTC address. After that, select the fee option. Then just click on withdraw and you're done. So that's basically how you can withdraw money from Rainbet. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.